Looking for a TV with an awesome display, impressive sound quality, and the best specs for gaming straight out of the box? Well, hey, I'm Ellie Awesome, and today we're checking out the TCL X925. So this epic 75-inch TV was delivered to me a couple of weeks ago for testing. And wow, the unboxing was exciting. So the box is huge for what happens to be a fairly slimline TV. And once you unbox the X925, you'll find there's mostly a ton of padding to protect the panel and then different protective coverings and labels to remove from the TV. Inside the box, you'll also find the TV's operations guide and accessories such as the power adapter, a TCL TV smart camera that plugs directly into the top of the TV, an AV cable adapter, the remote, which includes a helpful Google Assistant button, also shortcut buttons so you can quickly access your favorite streaming services, and lastly the quick start guide. I would recommend looking out for this and reading it straight away, as it'll help you get set up quickly and explain how to install the TV's stand for cabinet mounting or wall mounting. Installing the stand for a cabinet setup was easy, but definitely a two-person job. You've got to lay the TV down for installation, and then two people need to lift the TV onto the cabinet. Once you turn on the TV, setup is pretty straightforward. You just need to follow the TV's prompts and then finalize the setup on the Google Home app on your phone. Just note you'll need to set aside around half an hour for the TV to set up and install some apps. Now, something that's awesome about this TV is it has a really mainstream operating system, being Google TV. And this makes the TV's interface really intuitive to use. Google TV is also great because it puts all your apps and streaming services into one place. And it also offers you movie and TV show suggestions based on what you're already watching. Aside from that, as a bonus, as I mentioned earlier, Google Assistant is built in, so you can verbally ask it to do things like open apps, ask Google about the weather forecast, or ask it to tell you a joke.
Here goes. What animal can jump higher than the Sydney Harbour Bridge? All of them. Bridges can't jump.
Oh my gosh. It's the TV's image quality that really impressed me though. Front on this TV has a stunning picture quality with balanced colors and a pleasing level of saturation. And the TCL X925 is a mini LED 8K Ultra HD display, meaning content playback is especially impressive. Its mini LED technology is especially awesome because instead of some regular sized LEDs in the display, you have thousands of tightly packed mini LEDs, which allows for better control and replication of brightness, blacks, and contrast. And this in turn gives you a more crisp and true to life image. So mini LED is a fairly new and really exciting technology because it allows for this incredible playback quality while also being a fairly affordable technology, often bringing the price down of awesome premium TVs like this one. I was pretty blown away by the TV's sound quality straight out of the box. I would probably have to describe it as cinematic because it totally reminded me of being at the cinema, which is such a nice feeling because cinemas are a little bit nostalgic and more of a rare event for me these days. You know, with the world as it is, sometimes you can't go to the cinema. So it was really nice to be impressed by its 2.1 channel Dolby sound. And this thing has a built-in subwoofer at the back, and let me tell you, it is bassy. I own a subwoofer that I usually connect to my TV, and it sounded like the same as the one I have now. So I can definitely tell you that you can totally get away without a soundbar or soundbar and subwoofer setup if you just want a TV that's plug and play straight out of the box. When it comes to gaming, this TV has all the specs you'll need if you're looking to get the best performance, especially from the next gen gaming consoles. The TV has FreeSync technology and it can support variable refresh rates up to 120 Hz, specifically up to 120 Hz at 4K and up to 60 Hz at 8K. It also has an HDMI 2.1 port and ALLM, which is auto latency mode, and all of this helps to reduce lag for better gameplay. And gaming on this with the PS5 and the Xbox Series X was awesome and exactly what you'd expect from a premium TV. Overall, the visual and audio experience on this TV is really impressive. And I think TCL have made a premium TV that pretty much ticks all the boxes to set you up for enjoying your content at the highest quality for years to come. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, subscribe for more, and hopefully I will see you guys next time.